they see me rolling. Hey, man. We're almost there. My shoe, yeah, my shoe.
That's the thing. That's why I like boots, girl. This is the main reason.
My shoe is fully dirty. My Lacoste. Hello, Ugu. Trip is going great. What about you, my love? How are you doing today? How are you feeling?
Oh wait, we can
Are you having a happy day? Happy, happy, happy. Okay, we arrived, guys. Let's go explore. Let's go explore. Huh? What way do you want to go?
We'll go this way.
Okay.
That way. That way.
I don't know what that is, but it looks like a statue. It looks cool, no?
Statue.
No problem, love. I hope you're having a happy day, Ugu.
Oh my god, your sneakers.
It's okay. I'll just clean them when I get home. This is not mud. Oh, but that's mud. Shy!
Hey.
I just want to see what this is. Oh, it looks... Oh, the bird! It has a little bird. It has a lot of birds. You guys will see the birds. Wowzers. Look at the bird. The duckies.
I wanted to see that.
This would be so pretty if it wasn't raining.
This would be amazing.
Wouldn't it? We could just chill here. Even do like a little picnic.
Oh my god, so many.
Look, birdie. Oh, be careful here with the mud. I wish this crap was, you know, coverage. I kind of want to take the umbrella out of my hand for a second. Yeah, be careful there. Quack quack! And this is the lake. Look. So pretty. Hello, sir. Guys, I need to do something urgently. And that is charging you. You guys are gonna die, and that's no bueno. So, first thing I'm gonna do, hold up. Okay, you guys stay here. Okay. Woo! Alright. Hold up. Everything is gonna work out. I'm gonna get rid of this paper crappy bag. Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna just take, I need to charge chat. 1 second. I take this off. I put this in my bag. Hold up, chat. This is hard. I only have 2 hands. Okay. This goes here. Where's charger? Charger. Perfect. Charger goes here, here. Perfect. Is it charging? Perfect. Chat is charging now. These can go with. Okay. Okay, this is trash. Look how wet. Look how wet the paper bag was. All right, perfect. And where is the trash can now? Okay,